Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
If there is one thing 2020 atreyen and they say in so na wo mo claim say media de mi hu bia ebim and de me hu we and the we besi no 2020 atreyen say enye wo bia ananya bibia na say ye fan serious ha. If there is one thing 2020 atreyen, that is it. It is not only in Ghana, and I can tell you, Trump election, yeni aye hu embrofofo nsofo and come share wo mu ni na e kan se Nyankopon ya tromo, and we saw what happened. Then na me no ka say breaking news and the air ban say Donald Trump what they asem no echo Supreme Court no. In the 30 minutes, Supreme Court no abo asem nego. Na nkrofo fi say Donald Trump the asem nego Supreme Court onu Donald Trump ne bae no was selected a lot of judges so one met na Supreme Court in tie bia judges no bebo ano me say in the 30 minutes sorry and na Supreme Court e America wo mo board Donald Trump asem no eguye nti sisi Donald Trump they will lose case no wo yeden wo pe wo free so as president of America but to share income so for kan ye income na nkoso an go through ena enso for na so san mo chi beka say Donald Trump the Supreme Court wo be wini ni na no utumi hu ne say yes ye ka say Nyankopon ena we yi a at least de be ma ye hu say Nyankopon yi no wo say ebem Ghana has enso sa enso for bebre na ye nia ye hu ye America elections wo mo be share nkom ambem no mbe sesa wo mo ano sa even Ghana elections no bebre na e be share nkom na wo mo share nkom ni na no eno ena tre say ende ye ka but I am telling you 2020 it has been a big lesson. 2021 aboa nkrofo 2020 amaye hu ne say family is everything. Coronavirus bae say na nkrofo wu nnafofo wu no 2020 maye hu say no you need to get closer to your family. 2020 maye hu say enya about enkomhyan sofo yi ka ene nyama o eye wankasa wo modembo 2020 atreyen sa nyama no ni ye ka elections Ghana presidential elections pa ya yenim Nigel Gaze ene wo sofo beduko bi ensem a wo mo kan ye enkomhye a wo mo emaye enye easy ya yenitia yenina yeni ye den etia etiefo se mo be kai a ensem a Nigel Gaze kan ye wo se Mahama be win by 50 something one touch malam bi nso dia wo be kan ya medini na bae media beduko bi dia mpo beduko bi ono dia mpo wompo dia beduko bi ye no e sha ase ye ra 2020 mu na wo bae be kan se NDC be wini na nso ye be wi awo mo ama MPP ababa be wini sa na beduko bi wo kan at least na kamayen ka ho because ende amene o ka say some NDC people, NDC form women now for they strongly believe say they won, but here we are. They strongly believe say they won, but here we are. Intinaka o kan mani si wa na kebeka say well beduko bimpo at least wo hu ye kan. Last week here to abana beduko bi ba bon tibeka say sisia de Nyankopon yi akre no NDC be winning hands down. Womu wia NDC be wini di omo be ye bia NDC be wini Nigel Gaze so sa no kan o si womu wia bia NDC be wini and then Nigel Gaze aba be kan sem bi e wo social media we say me read asem wa Nigel Gaze e kan e wo social media mamo na me the reactions enso ebremo intino etiefo ye tiaso ensem wa Prophet Nigel Gaze or they aba be to because a lot of people are criticizing him, a lot of people are saying things. He didn't address it directly, but you read in somewhere what kind and I heard say this is what he said. Was say you will never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you. You will only be criticized by someone who is doing less or doing nothing. Read that again. As someone Prophet Nigel Gaze air can say, Sabi, so wo ya de na will be air cassette yao. Wo criticize wa hwene se nipa ko wo criticize wo no wo ya above say nipa kro no na wo bia wo wase na de bia wo ye bibia wo behu se wo kan. That is what Nigel Gazy is saying. I say you will never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you. Intina no na me pese me bisa say ye ni na Ghana for ye wo yen. We all know say our parents mostly criticize us on things we do. I've never seen a Ghanaian parent who has not criticized neba. Say bia neba ye bibi a enye a watia neba no ana wakasa etia neba ne say hey me criticize what their wo yes so what Nigel Gazy is saying no naturally say akwala ye bibi na ni parent who say de me ba ye enye na ni parent criticize na de Nigel Gazy kan ene say tre say akwala no e wa brabo mu wa bobra esen na wofo ana. It's a simple question I'm asking because Nigel Gazy na we quote. And I feel say because of the situation at hand, interna wama sa quote we. Ebia na won ti ase criticism no. Just say why you ade ase bi entwa yie. A wo bi kasa ho ene ne efe ne criticism. Kofi. Ade we ya wo ye ni sei. Wanye ni ye na nke atwa say wo ye ni sei. Asem we akokan no da bi enye sa ye kan ni sei. Da bi we ye ni sei. De wo ye no entwa ye ni sei. And no na broni in a larger extent the broni beka say you are criticizing the person. Ebi mo de wo ho a wo mo de na your time a che say wo mo no criticism no utumi hu say but ni na aka ho ni na ya criticism inti imagine the Nigel Gazy kan no wo se wo bia wo on bra endu level wo no pe na de bia wo be criticize o inti wo hu say wo be criticize o bia na tre say nipa ko a wo criticize no nipa ko na bobra saying no. That is what Nigel Gazy is saying. And the simple question I'm asking no very simple. Inti Ghana for your parents yen yin a wo mo tete yen a wo mo criticizing yen on our decisions and punishing us on our decisions and things. And na tre say ye so na yen yin no na ya bobra saying your parents and because yes that is parents a lot of everyday parents criticize their children. So that means parents no enkolana bobrasing parents na. You see, sometimes so in sendi wa o kana unko ya you don't come out with some quotes. Well, what can in come say ni Nigel Gazy wo kan ya me bisa wo radio so wo say MPP person mu wie mu. E no mo bisa say MPP person wo wie mu ni to person wo chere say MPP ne be wini ana. Asem a wo kan emphatically and say MPP wie mu kra na still NDC be wini. So today what will you say? And that will make us say MPP Riemu. But what can radio so say MPP Riemu and na easy Riema MPP krana still NDC be winning. And even if we there yemfa say admitting without or assuming without admitting say o there na kre say easy Riemu ema MPP. Me so far mama what you say me hu evidence bia o there yemfa ne sa say ne kre say easy Riemu ma NDC. Why na ko kan yo say wo Riemu kra NDC be winning. Intended then now beka. Not the obekeni. You'll never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you. Who told you? Who told you say you'll never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you? Inti who ye juma tio. Inti who ye juma. Now a boss. A juma na wa ye no wen twa ye. One never can juma no wan se menya o boss. Your boss will be the one criticizing your job. Into a boss now while criticizing wage man no. Not just say you want to say you are doing more than your boss. What is this? In quotation where they are out of line. Out of line. Crack. Who school? Now who ye man say who sian do school. Now this yan enko ye will teach ama work. Now encha ye now teacher criticize o work now homework now wo ye and na test now wo ye na. Who person try me say we teacher na criticize on it based on what Nigel Gazy is saying. Not just a who student no what being seen teacher no. That's what Nigel Gazy is saying. Well, see, you will never be criticized by someone who is doing more than you. It's the try say teacher now what criticizing students no. Nigel Gazy person try say teacher no, just a student not being seen teacher no. I mean this quotation is be saying no and asem Ghana so for we Ghana so for but the other one no the Nigel Gazy aka. But you see, one thing about Ghanaians and they say sometimes we misquote things like this and make it feel say so was so for can be saying and not say was so for ni fake dabi. That's one mistake Ghana for be na eye. Nyame adom, nyame ni grace, ne gift, what the amani pe bi mu. Wo kosroba form, what the adom no ashe sankrofo na nsa. De bia meka, wo ko Bible mu, David would di bonne fa nkrofo yere said yen naka eye modern day, eye modern day, naka ye na ebeka se David. Wo hini David naka ye na ebeka se David. Wo nya nyamesum ni papa. Naka ebe criticize no. A modern day because David kofa will be here. David will ring crofo emma crofo girlfriends ni nyama. David just say who nyama David here. A modern day. Na Quebec say David or a fake man of God. But still the American was say he's a man after my or say David Damakuma so I want people to understand say in so one day things like this doesn't mean say they are fake. That's what I want people to understand. In Yama be saying, and then say we fake. Because we nipa. Why you so for no still nipa so no tinimu. Inti ya Nyankopon wa dum bi keke na ato ne so. Ena we ye nyama bi. But nipa so ne de ewom. De bia asem a meka ne say he esoro abofro ye nipa yeti hei sabe ye hu Nyankopon krada but we feel his presence. Esoro abofo a wo mo ne Nyankopon ti esoro ho a wo mo som Nyankopon Bible kra kire say esoro abofo ba asase so no e de na mo ye akono so nipa akono e be hye wo mu e ma wo mo be hu nsase so ma e ma wo mo ne o mo dae o mo ka say heaven ho kra wo mo nya nkobium esoro abofo ne ba asase so a wo mo be hu emma no o mo say ye ti heaven wa de ye no dasa mo de mo uji mo ni wa ha ende yaka ye ne mo mma ne beda o mo ne nsase so mba da ye ewo giants eto nsase ne so it tells you even those who are holy was through ho o mo ba asase so we also what they did it asase so there in social bebre wa ha and interest ni pakone is not a genuine man of God. That is what I want people to understand. And if you understand that, you will not be disappointed. So what say was so bia kwa akoye bibi. So what say asem na, you will not be disappointed. So what say was so bia kwa akofage, or so bi ni we akoda, you will not be disappointed. Because you understand the reality of life. And that is it. And then the man grofu bebre can say, "Osofu we ye fake, osofu we ye fake, osofu we ye fake." And yes, I say, "Osofu no, eya ne kresa Nyankopon wadom da ne so, but nipa su etinimu." Into wo mo a, wo hwe wo mo hye wo mo ho so, so fa wo mo hye wo mo ho so pa no. Otumu say, "They know." Omo nim say enye easy. Masa, enye easy sa o. Asase so ha yi. Asase so ha. Enye easy sa. So na Jugazi, media, enkomse na mbem. It's okay. America, abroche, osofo baako, wakoshe nkomo a ambem no. Wa ba bonti be apologize ye. Asem o kan ne say, em say Nyankopon yi kire me, but we na manye den me hu entumi anka. Asem a wakan no. O say Nyankopon de, ono de weyi, but me na interpretation no manye den. Meant to me interpreting ye, and it happens. You know, and then say, maybe I will fake, but you don't come out with things. Let me give you an example. Me, I'm hey, me now for personally. Ebi mo kasa me Nyankopon ama me achede because me sum da ya ebem, but da ebi a me sum no, and shada anya pepepe sa. And let me give you an example. Embra Stone Boy. And this is personally, my friends know me. So I'm just saying this so people know. Embra Shatawale ni Stone Boy. Stone Boy kwa train etio. Ewo a stage. I better than sense be no. I think it was on a Thursday. I stand to be corrected, but I think it was on a Thursday or a Friday or Saturday. One of those days. Now, the day before the event, no, Mesun Diana Mesun ya no Mesun say as a near our classroom and a awards. And an award no. Ya de ma Shatawale Diana mesum ni new say your classroom and stage classroom and ye award and ye de award ne ma Shatawale ye de award ne ma Shatawale no and a Stone Boy mum e de ebufuo ba ho e be ka say hey award ne ye me de e ma commotion see ye. That was the dream I had the night before the event. It's event ni see ya de ni see na me say hey Diana mesum ye no ba wo me da ye no Stone Boy mum and na wakoye wenti imagine say me babonti be ka say mason da ye say Shatawale G award will stage Emma Stonebwoy mum ebaya obi beka say me atro di for but see won say na me hu ye no but confusion ni dey esi but won say eno no eye Shatawale mum e na ye dey award man Stonebwoy Shatawale mum eye dey okọ it me dey no won say interchange so sometimes you see the thing in dream but sometimes interpretation no at ya see enti no when na kwa ba bonten wo se Ghana for me na me kan ye Nyankopon de em say wono de wo yi kire me na me ntumi interpreting ye na Ghana for at ya see Nigeria de see ye Nigeria go ba bonten me kan say ne kre Nigeria de no it was the interpretation you got wrong. You don't come out to say things like, and you will never be criticized by someone who is doing more than. I mean, Mr. Nigeria, or so for Nigeria, please, in Chai, it's no, comment box, me that's it.